Hello and welcome to your Sunday, March 15th edition of the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing. My name's Alex from the National Weather Service in Pocatello, and I'll take you through the briefing today. For your weather impact summary, we're highlighting the continued moderate to heavy snow across the Upper Snake Plain and Upper Snake Highlands and parts of the central Idaho mountains, mostly the southern portions from Sun Valley, Wood River Valley area up to the Passamaquoddy valleys, and including Arco, Mackay, Howe, northwest parts of the Idaho, north and east towards Dubois, Monida Pass and Island Park. As we go through the morning and the afternoon, that activity should begin to wind down and become more showery, so off and on in nature. Elsewhere, a couple of strong thunderstorms are possible this afternoon across mostly the Snake Plain. Those could produce some gusty winds and small hail. And a new change to the forecast. As we mentioned previously, the area of low pressure was formerly forecast to track southward along the California coast through midweek and then make its move into the Great Basin by mid to late week. That has changed now. The low is forecast to begin moving towards us Monday night and Tuesday, so that brings the showers back into the area a day sooner than what we had briefed you on the past 2 days. In addition, on Tuesday, a few strong thunderstorms are again possible, mostly across the Snake Plain, and they could produce again the threat for gusty winds and small hail. Okay, let's look at the satellite picture for this morning and show you the revised surface low track through midweek now. This morning, the low is centered just off of the Northern California coast. That's still forecast to track slowly south and east along the California coast, but now on Tuesday, the low is forecast to begin to swing north and east into the Great Basin, centered generally in the northern Nevada area for Wednesday, and then Wednesday night into Thursday, the low is forecast to track eastward and move out of the area. So that's the latest revised track. That has some implications to our forecast as well. Taking a look at your weather impact overview matrix, we're highlighting the Eastern Highlands, Lost, and Wood River areas, in addition to South Lemhi County areas in orange, as the moderate to occasionally heavy snow will continue this morning. It will become more showery and less intense this afternoon and really begin to taper off overnight tonight. The Sawtooth area, you're a little farther north and out of the heavier snow, but a few snow showers can't be ruled out there today as well. The Southeast Highlands will be seeing valley rain, mountain snow, and some thunderstorm chances this afternoon as well. The rain and thunder shower chances across the Magic Valley, South Hills, and Snake Plain. The Snake Plain has the best chance to see a strong thunderstorm or two this afternoon, so we put them in yellow. Conditions again will improve tonight as precipitation gradually winds down. For Monday, just some isolated snow showers and rain showers, mostly across the Eastern Highlands and Sawtooth area. We really can't rule out some showers across all of East Idaho, but the best chance is across the Eastern Highlands and Sawtooth area. Any snow showers Monday, though, should be brief and mostly on the light side with little impact. As we get into Monday night and Tuesday, those snow showers will return to the Wood River area and the Sawtooth area. And there is the potential for strong thunderstorms that could produce some gusty winds and small hail in the afternoon on Tuesday, mostly across the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, and South Hills. As that low pressure center tracks into Nevada, that'll spread some valley rain and mountain snow showers across the Southeast Highlands, Eastern Highlands, the Lost River area, the Wood River area. Sawtooth should be cold enough for all snow, and also the South Lemhi County area. And as we go into Thursday, the precipitation begins to move out, but the valley rain and mountain snow showers should continue across the South Hills, Southeast Highlands, and Eastern Highlands, pretty much down from Island Park south to Bear Lake, and then west along the Utah border, I should say, for Thursday. Let's take a look at your forecast radar for this morning. This in reality should be a little more filled in with snow than it is, but areas from Sun Valley to Mackay to Arco, north and east through Dubois and Monida Pass and Island Park will stay in the snow through this morning, but like I mentioned, it'll become more showery and less intense as we go through this afternoon. You can see the downward trend, though, for tonight into Monday. And as I mentioned, mostly isolated light shower activity for Monday. As this loop works its way through one more time, I want to point out the timing and location for the potential for strong thunderstorms this afternoon. And as we'll give this loop a chance, here you can see some of the thunderstorms starting to develop. So around 4 o'clock, you can see some of the thunderstorms here scattered about the South Hills and the Snake Plain. So basically from 4 p.m. through about 8 p.m., that's the best window for the strong thunderstorm chances. Additional snowfall amounts this morning, generally in the 1 to 2 inch range from Sun Valley, north and east through Mackay, Arco, just north of DuBois, Spencer, Moneta Pass, Highland Park, with locally higher amounts. One thing I wanted to mention about this morning is the Arctic air has filtered down into Henry's Lake, Island Park, Moneta Pass, all the way down into DuBois. We've seen the stronger north winds develop and some colder air move in, so we'll likely need a forecast update to address that. You can see, although snow showers continue across these same areas this morning, the amounts are beginning to lessen, with mostly just up to an additional inch. Locally higher amounts, though, especially along the Montana border. And this evening, you can see a little uptick in the snow shower activity for the mid and higher slopes. And some of this is convectively driven, meaning it could be briefly heavy with some thunder here across the eastern highlands this evening. For tomorrow, you can see mostly light amounts, mostly favoring the higher terrain areas. And for Tuesday, you can see the snow moving back in to the central Idaho mountains. And for Tuesday night, you can see where some of those snow showers expand across the remainder of the higher terrain areas along the upper Snake Plain near the Montana border, and for all of the eastern highlands as well. High temperatures today. We still think the southerly winds and warmer air will have a chance to make it back into the upper Snake Plains here where the Arctic air has invaded. So we're still forecasting highs in the 30s up here. But otherwise getting well above freezing, mild conditions across the eastern Magic Valley, southern Snake Plain, and the valleys across our South Hills region as well. But much of the central Idaho mountains staying colder. For tomorrow, very similar values are expected. Tuesday, we get into some stronger southerly flow. So let's compare Monday and Tuesday. We're warming things up about 5 degrees across the board. And then Wednesday, we'll introduce more clouds and showers, so temperatures cool back down about 5 degrees or so from Wednesday. Low temperatures tomorrow morning, getting back down to near or around freezing in some of these teal colors, below freezing elsewhere in the lighter blue colors. For Tuesday morning, we'll pump those low temperatures up a couple of degrees, but all of the central Idaho mountains, northern Snake Plain, eastern highlands getting below freezing, and a very similar story for Wednesday morning as well. So it's not out of the realm of possibility. We could see some snow mixing down even to the valleys here across the South Hills. Again, your weather impact summary. The moderate to heavy snow will continue this morning across the upper Snake Plain, upper Snake Highlands, and the southern portions of the central mountains. That'll become more showery, though, this afternoon and begin to really taper off this evening. We can't rule out a couple of strong thunderstorms across the Snake Plain this afternoon that could produce some small hail and gusty winds. And as we talked about, a new change to the forecast reintroduces showers to the central Idaho mountains late Monday night and the rest of East Idaho for Tuesday, with some strong thunderstorms again possible, with gusty winds and small hail being a threat for Tuesday. But overall confidence in the details remains only medium, low to medium at this time. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback, we welcome those at the phone number, email address, or social media accounts you see here. For the latest forecast, you can visit our website that you see here on the screen. Otherwise, join us again here tomorrow, Monday, March 16th, for the next briefing. Thank you.